Old Times just sponsor me. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a very fresh face foundation routine. I already did my eyebrows and part of my eyes. I'm going to finish it after, of course, when I finish my foundation. This is all a drugstore look. So yeah, I'm going to mix the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color Classic Tan, and I'm going to be mixing it with my Maybelline FitMe concealer in the color medium. So I'm just going to take a little foundation brush and apply it all over my face. Now I know it looks a lot darker than my face, but it matches my body, and you want it to match your body, or like you want it to match your neck. Now I'm going to blend it in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm going to take my beauty blender now, and I'm going to soak up the excess product. I'm going to highlight my face using that same Maybelline concealer. If I miss any products, all the products will be listed in the description box. Alright, now I'm going to go in with some Airspun powder. It's a really good drugstore translucent powder. So now I'm just starting on the edge and just pushing that powder into my eye. I forgot primer. Okay. But for a primer, the one I would use the Hard Candy Color Correct Radiant Primer. This is for medium to dark skin tones. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush 6 color palette. Even though this isn't technically drugstore, it is very affordable. And I got mine from Ulta. And you can order offline. Of course, you can get it from Ulta. I'm not sure what other stores they're sold in. I'm using this cream yellow shade, and I'm just brightening up these highlighted areas. So now I'm going to contour. I'm going to go in with that darker shade. Ooh. I'm going to go in with that darker shade. Take a little bit on my angled brush. So I first just start off from the back, and then I go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now I take the more fluffy part, the flat edge, and I just kind of buff it out. I don't know what this palette's called. Please don't mind the lip gloss I dropped on it. Yeah, but I don't know what this palette's called, but I think it was Profusion. I got it from like Burlington. But I really love this bronzer. Like, this is one of my favorite bronzer shades because I'm one of those people that like the orange bronzers. Now I just want to add a little bit of blush, so I'm gonna go into this palette. I think I'm gonna take this lighter shade. Alright, now I'm going to just take some Badescu Rose Water Spray. This isn't technically a drugstore product once again, but it is only $7, so. I like to spray my face and then take a sponge right before I do my highlight, just because I feel like it really just cuts down the layers of the makeup. I'm just taking my Wet n Wild Megaglo highlight. Guys, this highlight, it's only like $4, I think. And I'm already hitting pan on it, but let me just show you. Let me show you this magic. Look how beautiful that highlight is. Gorgeous highlight. So thank you for watching this video. I think this came out really nice. You know, the glow is popping. I think the highlight really just brings it all together. You know, you can never have too much highlight in your life. So like always, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.